Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to remove white background and make it transparent in Canva. So first thing, just simply go to canva.com, and after that, of course, just simply create a design and just simply go to the design that you prefer. So let's say I'm gonna go for a logo. And now here guys, we will have an empty template. So just simply go to the uploads over here and just simply click and drag the picture with a white background that you have here on Canva, and it will upload, and just simply click and drag it into the space over here. And guys, as you can see, it has a white background. To prove it to you, I will change the background color, and as you can see, it has a white background. Now, in order for you to remove it, just simply click on your picture and you will have here background remover. So click on this and it will automatically remove the background for you. And now guys, I'm going to change the background color to white since our picture is black. Now guys, in order for you to make it a transparent, you can just simply click on share on the top right corner and go ahead and select download, and you will have here transparent background, and click on download, and from there you should be able to have this output. There you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.